And welcome back to another unboxing video from Paul's Aquariums in Brisbane. Yes, my voice is horrible. Yes, I have dust mites inside my nose right now, thanks to the wonders of hay fever. But we did set up some really cool little nano tanks. So these are low iron glass, very cool. Check out my drip. How cool is that drip? So if you want to see how to do these, I am uploading a little video in the next day or so. So if you're watching this in the future, it's already there somewhere. Go search for that video and that'll show you how to set these up. Very Last of Us inspired, even though these aren't mushrooms, but you know, it's got that vibe. It has the vibe to it. Anyway, what we will do is unbox some fishes. This is going to be all over the place, this video, because can't breathe, can't talk, all that wonderful stuff. We will jump to some fish. And we have two boxes from one of our wholesalers, as well as a lot of local fish in this video. So first bag, first box. Oh, there you go. You can guess what cichlid that is, but I needed an extra female for home. She is not for sale. I'm sorry. That was a good start, wasn't it? And the second bag we have, oh, there you go. Everyone's favorite. Tons and tons of those back in stock. Not going to tell you what they are either, but everyone should know what they are as they're on the screen. So lots of them back in. Third bag, oh, how cute are they? So those are Panda Corydoras. So I do have some long fins turning up later in this video that are local, and these are little local. Look how tiny they are. They are very cute. So Panda Corydoras are a small schooling fish, super peaceful, South American, so fine for most community tropical tanks. You want to get 3 or 4 of them. They don't really get any bigger than about 4 centimeters or so. Lovely little fish. They're called pandas because they look like a panda, apparently. Oh, that's something different. There we have some gold panchaks. So these are killifish. They will get a decent size to them. Obviously they're a goldy sort of metallic color to them. A little bit nippy, so you wouldn't keep them with little things like neon tetras or guppies, but they're fine with slightly bigger barbs and small sort of fish like that. So we have, I think there's a couple of bags of those somewhere in there. Hopefully we'll find the other ones. More Corydoras. So these look like orange Venezuelan Corydoras, and they're a decent size. They are a lovely Corydoras as well. Super peaceful, related to the bronze Corydoras, but they've got a lot more color to them. So again, got the orange mark on them, but they've got like a greeny blue patch to them as well. Super nice Corydoras. Again, peaceful little community fish. Oh yay, we have firemouths. So firemouths are back in stock. Again, not really a community fish. They will get about sort of that 15-20 centimeter size, but if you have bigger barbs and stuff like that, they will go fine. They're called a firemouth because they have red underneath their mouth. Apparently fire is red. I thought fire was orange, but you know, and they have a really nice purpley body to them as well. So firemouths back in stock. Again, a really cool fish. That looks like more of the killifish, so more golden killifish. We found them. And more Corydoras. That is more of the orange Venezuelan Corydoras. Oh, here's something different. We have dwarf chain loaches. So awesome fish these. They stay super small, about that 5 to 6 centimeters. Perfect for eating snails. They won't even harass other fish. So unlike your bigger loaches, like your clown loaches and red-tailed boatia and stuff like that, these guys are going to eat snails, but they're not going to attack your fish at night. So really great fish for a community tank if you want something that's going to eat snails and is not going to harass your fish. So limited amount of those available because we haven't had them for ages, but they are there. And here is a different type of angelfish. There should be a few angelfish in these boxes, so I'll put the name on the screen, but these guys get a weird blotchy blue pattern to them as they mature. So you can't really make it out at this size. I am going to pinch some to grow up at home because they are cool, and we haven't been able to get them for a year or two, but they are a very cool angelfish. I should have enough available for most people if you're quick. And that was box number 1. We are now going to go to some local bred fish and then jump to box number. And this video is all over the place, but we have some local bred fish. Got some really nice painted rainbow fish. So these are from an island off Papua New Guinea. Again, haven't had them for a while. That is what they look like. Pretty awesome little guys. And we also got some really nice local bred Corydoras. So Corydoras similis, really pretty little guys. And we also got some longfin panda Corydoras. So obviously both of them are on the screen. Longfin pandas, there's a huge variety of bigger ones and smaller ones in this batch, all local bred. But how cool are they? So Panda Corydoras will stay small compared to a lot of the other Corys. They max out about that 3.54 centimeters. Back to the rest of the video. And I did tell you that this video is going to be jumping all around the place. We have some more local bred fish. These just turned up from Hank. Hello, Hank. Barbara. Yes, Hank just came in. He didn't want to be on video, so he just said the word Barbara several hundred times. And wiggle wiggle. Thank you very much, Hank. But we have some captive bred. Of course they're captive bred. Endless live bearers. So these are like a mini guppy. Awesome, awesome little fish. Thank you very much, Hank. And we got some more lemon blue eyes. So lemon blue eye bristlenose. That's a little bit smaller than a normal bristlenose. Very, very cool fish. Look albino, but obviously they have the blue eyes, so they're not. And apparently there are 4 guppies and a rogue swordtail. Yes, there is. There you go. So that is more local bred fish. Let's jump to some other. Oh, lay down on the floor with me. We are box number 2. How cool were those local bred fish? Oh, more of the cool blue angelfish. So I did get a couple of different sizes, so we should have quite a few of those available. But again, be quick. If you're not sure if I've got them in stock or not, just send me a message. That is the easiest way. There is another bag as well. So there are so far 3 bags. There may be 4 bags. These are more angelfish, but they are just small mixed angels. So it looks like some golds. It looks like 1 black, a few lace angels in there as well. So some little normal angelfish, I suppose if you could call them normal. They're not fancy blue ones, but we have them back in as well. Ah, how cool are they? So anyone that watches what I breed at home knows I have a tank full of these growing up. But these are albino cherry barbs. They are lovely fish. Bright, colourful, very, very cool, and peaceful. Super, super peaceful. An awesome barb if you want something for your community tank. I'm losing my voice. Oh, they're big. Should be a couple of bags of these. So these are clown loaches. Again, lovely eating snails and stuff like that. But they do get big. They get about 30-40 centimeters. Reports of them getting a little bit bigger. These guys are huge. They're maybe 8 centimeters or so. So we have a few bigger guys available of them. So be quick for them. And the complete opposite in this bag, we have some Pygmy Corydoris. Wow, they are tiny. So I did get a whole heap last week. They all sold out super quick, so we have more this week. So hopefully everyone that missed out last week will be able to get them this week. Very, very cool, peaceful community schooling catfish. Yeah, they are a schooling catfish. We have more angelfish in this bag, so more of the smaller, cheaper angels. There's another black one in there. So more angelfish again. This bag, it looks like we have some Otocinclus catfish. Yay! So Otocinclus catfish are back in stock. Super peaceful, algae eating fish, great for community tanks, great for nano tanks, planted tanks. If you've got a tank that's a little bit too small for bristlenose that get a fair size to them, these are the catfish you want. They do better in groups, so you want 3 or more of them, but they are one of the cooler little sucker fish you can get. And that looks like that was box number 2. So that was all in this video for the unboxing. Hopefully I can still talk and you can kind of hear me. But thank you very, very much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, click the thumbs up so I know. And we will see you in the next video.